Hello, blessed people. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you guys sang my intro for me. I'm talking to my family, y'all, because I actually am a little under the weather. I'm feeling a lot better than I was, but I just wasn't up to sing my hook. So I hope y'all sang that for me today. As you can see, I am in my she room slash me room slash prayer room, all of the above. I had to wash my dresses, and so I am just trying to bring some order so I can hang them up in my closet. And I needed to straighten up a little bit in here because it's not up to par the way that it normally is. But I am glad you all are joining me today. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Deshawn. I do videos on decoration, inspiration, as well as motivation, cleaning motivation. If that's content that you're interested in, please do consider subscribing to the channel. We would love to have you join the family. Guys, sit back, relax. It's not much going on in this video, but I enjoy your company, so I hope you all will stick around and enjoy mine as well. I normally machine wash most of my dresses. Some I do hand wash. These that I'm working on were actually machine wash, and I hang them to dry around the house most of the time. So I hang them and wash them inside out. So I'm just turning them right side up so I can prepare to hang them in my closet. I normally let them pile up and then do them all at one time. Again, I'm not like the biggest fan of laundry. So, I'll just go until I can't go no more. So, you know, this is what it is.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go.
I have these shoe racks at various appropriate spaces in my home. I think I got this from Amazon. It was like $11.99. This particular one holds a minimum of 12 pairs of shoes because you can double up some of the shoes in the pockets. I actually thought about doing that here for my flat sandals and changed my mind at the last minute. But I do have some that hold a minimum of 24 pair of shoes individually, so you can get more if you double them up like I just stated. But they are great space savers if you guys need a great way to store a lot of shoes in one place where they're not all over the place. This is a good option. Look what my dog did to her toy, y'all. She completely demolished it. I had to throw it away. Now she looking sad. But yeah, Amazon has a lot of different options, and they come in different colors.
Talking to myself cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Yeah, that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. You all have no idea how much that means to me. Like, talk about increase and growth. This channel has grown tremendously in the last couple of weeks of alone, especially after being going for 4 months. This is only my fourth video that I've posted, and I have over 200 more subscribers, 200 plus. Okay, that's amazing. Now I just need to work on getting these views up. I need y'all to be liking this content, comment on my videos, guys, because that helps push my channel through the algorithm so it can be seen by more people. So hit that like button, get on this video wave, okay?
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has my name, know it's coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can't say that life's been perfect or complain 'cause life's been worth it. And all because of who he is working, only working out for my God. And no more living in that fear, no more tears and no, no. Oh, he's working me and molding me who he wants me to be.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can see the blessings, I can feel your presence. Leaning on the change in my heart for your endeavors. I pray I'm your reflection, I fiend for your correction. The cross brought the connection, and through Jesus is perfection. Life done hit me crazy, been more stressed than ever. Living like whatever, through the rain I feel you drawing closer. Lord, make me better, take me, shape me, use me, I am yours. Take me, break me for the glory of the Lord. Okay, not only does he hold me when I'm down and feel I'm folding, he my coach when I'm the goalie, never lonely. Got that hope in he who holy, holy, holy. Keep that rugged cross all on me, need that spirit to control me. Seek that word to come and mold me, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way. Yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
Y'all, these dresses here I purchased from Cowtown a couple of years ago for $5 a piece. They are super comfortable. Do you hear me? Super comfortable. I believe in saving my coins by any means necessary. I like things that look nice, but I absolutely 100% have to be comfortable. And I do not like to spend a lot if I don't have to. Now, some of the dresses cost a little more, but for the most part, listen, $33, $22, $45, $5. You're going to see a little bit of everything in this, okay? You'll never be able to tell what was what. Well, guys, we've come to the conclusion of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed spending time with me. I truly appreciate you. Please be sure, guys, to like, share, and comment on the video, okay? I'm trying to make it out here in these YouTube streets, and it is not an easy undertaking. Also, if you have not subscribed, please do join the family by hitting that subscribe button, as well as turning on your notifications so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Remember, if you are going through something, God loves you and everything is going to be all right. Just like the songwriter said, until next time, ciao.